In case you're curious, I don't normally wear my glasses when I'm talking to the camera because it makes the lights reflect. Looks terrible, but I'm doing this for you because the most common question I get over and over again with earbuds is, do they work with glasses? So I've learned just start with the glasses, make sure they work. So this is the Occiam K19s with the glasses on. They work perfectly fine. You don't have to worry about that. All good there. Let's talk about some other features of these. One of the things they came is that they have a 90-hour battery life with this battery-powered case, which is a huge thing. I find that so nice, especially if you travel. Like, think about it this way. You're going to go away for a weekend trip? No. You're going on a cruise. For a full week, you're going on a cruise. So you want to take this, no extra wires or anything, throw it in your backpack, go get on the cruise ship, and you have 90 hours of listening time. That's four full days, basically, 24 hours a day of listening to these before you run out of power, which I defy you to do on even a 1, 2, 3 week vacation. Maybe you listen to them at night, maybe you listen to them at the beach, maybe you listen to them every once in a while when you're listening to your favorite podcast or something. It's not going to add up to 24 hours a day for 4 days in a row. Never going to happen. So it is ridiculously effective and cool for travel and stuff like that. Speaking of other things they're effective and cool for, these are great for exercise, working out, going to the gym, that kind of stuff. They're nice and light, very comfortable. They have good sound. They are IPX7 waterproof, which means you could be a sweaty mess and they are not going to ruin them. Don't go swimming with them. Don't try to take a shower with them. They'll be dead. But in your basic life, getting sweaty, going out for a run and it's raining, all that's good. Drop it in a puddle, pick it up. All that's just fine. IPX7 waterproof is a very good standard for basic life. I think the other thing that I really want to say about them is the audio quality is excellent. Not audiophile level, right? Like, these aren't like super high-end, like the unbelievable bass kind of stuff. These are a good basic all-around set of earbuds, which I think they're perfect for that. They work really well. I am a big fan of the real earbuds for most things. I personally ride a bike for exercise, or if you run, it's important to have those open ear ones so that you can hear what's going on in your environment. Somebody's honking a horn, granny's pulling out of the parking lot, and they don't see you. You want to be able to know what's going on, and with these on, you do kind of isolate yourself from those environments. But if you go into the gym, walking on the sidewalk, working in the backyard, mowing the lawn, all those kind of things, these are great for that. Obviously, I said great for travel, going on vacation, all really cool. In the end, I think these are absolutely astounding for what they're supposed to be. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.